I added a fundraiser. My video now has over 11 million impressions. So does adding a fundraiser blow up your videos? And how do you get this hidden feature? That is what I will talk about in this video. I'm Jordan, made over $5 million in revenue, hired over 50 people and got videos like this and this with over 1 million views. And my question to you, do you think that this is a coincidence? Out of 2,000 videos uploaded, there are 3, not 1, but 3 fundraiser videos in their top 8 most viewed uploads. Or take a look at this. On her channel, there are 2 fundraiser videos in her top 6 most viewed videos. Now, mind you, these are just 2 of the many examples that I've found, which left me with the question, can an okay video that normally gets 100 to 10,000 views blow up simply by adding a fundraiser? Well, I believe in coincidence, actually, but not on YouTube. Come on. Why? Well, because they use an algorithm. Algorithms are predictable. It's their nature. Just like it's in my nature to make 8% click-through rate thumbnails. So if you want them to, then download my free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes for free. Anyways, think about it. YouTube wants good PR. For example, a video that is going viral and raising money for a good cause. I mean, that is a win-win-win situation. Viewers feel good, creators feel purposeful, and YouTube looks like the hero. And what do platforms love more than good press? Good press that they didn't have to pay for. So now check this, YouTube covers all transaction fees. They don't make a single dollar from it. So now you might think, well, if YouTube doesn't make extra money from it, then do they really care? And I had the same question. They don't earn money from it directly, indeed. In fact, they lose money. But here's what I read. Covering all transaction fees is not out of love for creators or viewers. I see it as a signal. Which reminds me of this quote, I no longer listen to what people say, I just watch what they do. Behavior never lies. Which is a quote from Winston Churchill and a visual that I created. And by the way, if you ask, Jordan, why do you create all of these visuals and spend hours on them if you've already made over $5 million and hired 50 people? Well, it's because I enjoy making them. So if I may add to the quote, money follows the honey. So YouTube spending money on this shows you where the honeypot is. So maybe it's time for your channel to taste it too. Because here's why YouTube is incentivized to prioritize videos with a fundraiser. Fundraisers keep people on the platform longer, but especially they signal higher viewer intent and engagement. I mean, they have their own stats. So fundraisers tell the algorithm this isn't just another dopamine scroll video, it's a higher quality one. People actually care if they donate money, right? So if you were YouTube, which video would you push into more people their feeds? A 7-minute rant on dopamine or a 7-minute video that also raised $7,000 for the mentorship of young men? Well, exactly. Video B, right? So the real question is, how do you unlock this hidden feature? Even if your channel doesn't have 10,000 subscribers, like one of my channels where I have the fundraiser option available without 10,000 subscribers like YouTube appears to say is necessary. And what are the smartest settings to use to get you the most amount of views when you actually add a fundraiser? Because it has many settings before you get one. Well, comment the word hidden and I will show you exactly what I did with 2 example fundraiser videos of mine and 3 changes that you may need to make to add a fundraiser to your next video. But I must admit, I lied to you. My video didn't get 1 million views because of the fundraiser, but despite of it. Again, comment the word hidden and I will send you all the details. It's free, just like my 70 YouTube tools in my free Google Sheet. That being said, if there's one other YouTube setting that I wish I used earlier, it is this one. Because I left a lot of views and money on the table. I talk about it in this video. See you there. Or in the emails I write that you receive when you download my free thumbnail pack or Google Sheet with free tools. And in my email I write things that you won't find anywhere else. Like how I got this gift from Google. Yeah, you want that too, right? Or this one where I changed my face for a Studio Ghibli version in the thumbnail and got a significantly higher click-through rate, as you can see. So read my emails if you like practical YouTube tips.